Alright, for my next crazy idea, a lathe type bow drill. I'm thinking it would take half the energy if you had a flexible branch doing the other half of the work. So that's what I'm hopefully going to demonstrate here. So stay tuned. Now if you know anything about the old style lathes, then you know what I'm doing here. I've got a flexible branch that's going to be my pullback on the drill. It's a bow drill without the bow. You don't need this much cordage, obviously. And you're not going to get ember today. It's all wet. It just rained. But basically, wet. But there it is. A bow drill, or a drill, using half the energy. You can stay on it longer, get the smoke going higher, or farther, or more, and get a hotter ember. So there's my next latest harebrained scheme. I hope you enjoyed. Get out and do stuff. Thanks for the support, and hit a like and subscribe. Thanks guys. Bye.